Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today we gonna see about an interesting problem which was frequently asked hard question and we gonna solve in stratch. The task is to find out how many employees within each department share the same birth month. Here's a clear explanation of the question. Grouping by department and birth month. We need to group employees based on their departments and birth months. The profession column in the dataset represents the department each employee belongs to, counting employees in each group. For each department and birth month combination, we count the number of employees who share that birth month within the department. Output format. The output should include the department name, birth month, and the count of employees born in that month for that department. Handling empty months. If a particular month has no employees born in it within a specific department, the report should indicate this with a count of 0 employees for that month in that department. In essence, the goal is to analyze the distribution of employees across departments based on their birth months and provide a summary that shows how many employees in each department share the same birth month. Creating a common table expression CTE for monthly employee counts. The code begins by creating a temporary result set CTE named month_CTE. This CTE calculates the count of employees in each department who share the same birth month. It groups the data by department, profession, and birth month, then counts the number of employees in each group. Pivoting the data to summarize employee counts by department and birth month. The main query then pivots the data from the month_CTE to summarize the employee counts by department and birth month. It uses conditional aggregation with the sum and case when statements to calculate the total counts of employees born in each month within each department. Conditional aggregation with case when statements. The code uses multiple case when statements within the sum function to conditionally sum the employee counts based on their birth months. For each month, from 1 to 12, it checks if the birth month matches the specified month number and then adds the count of employees for that month. If there are no employees born in a specific month for a department, the count for that month will be treated as 0. Now we understand the case when, so we are removing all the white space and write it in a single line. Same process repeat from Jan to December until you do for 12 months use case when statement. Make the changes accordingly on the logical basis. Final output grouped by department. The final result set groups the summarized data by department, profession. Each row corresponds to a department, and the columns, month_1 to month_12, represent the count of employees born in each month for that department. Handling missing data. The code ensures that all departments are represented in the output, even if there are no employees born in a particular month within a department. This comprehensive approach provides a complete overview of employee distributions by birth month for each department. In essence, this SQL code efficiently organizes and presents the data to showcase the distribution of employees across departments based on their birth months, offering valuable insights into employee demographics within the organization. Thanks for tuning in today for our SQL coding session. We've tackled some interesting challenges together, and I hope you found them engaging and informative. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next exciting coding challenge. See you all tomorrow for another intriguing problem to solve. Until then, happy coding and keep exploring new horizons in the world of tech. See you tomorrow.